to the electric meter manufacturing facility. I'm your guide, and today we'll explore the complete manufacturing journey of our digital electric meters.
The PCB acts as the brain of the meter. We also have the current sensors for precise measurement, and the plastic casing provides critical protection.
The process begins right here at the solder paste printer, then moves down the line to the pick and place machine, and finally through the reflow oven.
Some of the larger components cannot be placed by machines and require manual insertion through the PCB holes. This is where human precision is essential. We integrate the main PCB with these essential sub-assemblies. The power supply module ensures stable operation.
Functional testing verifies the meter measures electrical energy accurately. The test applies known voltage and current, then compares the meter reading against the reference standard.
The meter housing provides crucial protection, safety insulation, and tamper resistance. Note the terminal compartment here.
Alignment check. Careful positioning.
The calibration process ensures the meter meets accuracy specifications across various load conditions, power factors, and temperature.
final testing verifies safety, functionality, and communication features before being shipped to customers.
This custom-fit box and anti-static foam protect the meter during shipping. We also include the manual, quick guide, and mounting hardware.
Package ready for dispatch. Serial EM2024 12345678.
1 electric meter, user manual, quick start guide, calibration certificate, warranty card, hardware kit complete, 2 desiccant packets, all correct.
These meters are stored in our climate-controlled warehouse, awaiting shipment. Our inventory system tracks every unit, ensuring complete.
Ongoing quality control maintains product reliability and accuracy. Every production batch undergoes.
This 94.3% OEE demonstrates our world-class manufacturing performance. Our quality pass rate remains strong at 99.2%. 40 facility power comes from solar, and 85% of production waste is recycled.
Our continuous innovation focuses on advanced features, IoT connectivity, real-time demand response, and AI for predictive.
Our comprehensive customer support includes a 24/7 technical assistance helpline and installation.
Statistics. From raw components to precision calibrated energy meters, each unit undergoes 15 major processes.
At the core is the microcontroller, the brain of the meter. Current transformers measure the flow, supported by the voltage divider network.
Power SUF. Voltage times current, power factor. Energy SUF. Power times time. Welcome to our state-of-the-art 3,000 square meter production facility with a capacity of 500,000 units and
Quality is not inspected into products. It is built into every process step. From component selection through final testing, our
What's the called it, Pierce? As you can see, maintaining the correct temperature is crucial for quality.
If the reading is outside the tolerance.
Exactly.
We demonstrate comprehensive safety management through regular audits. This ensures sustainable operations and
By 2030, our meters will feature advanced cybersecurity, AI-driven analytics.
Smart metering provides 3 to 5% average energy savings and a 15% reduction in peak demand. Our meters are deployed globally with 45 million in Europe, 230 million in Asia, and emissions.
Reliability has been outstanding, less than 0.1% failure rate over 5 years. Our comprehensive support infrastructure ensures 24/7 technical assistance with 15 regional users. Our culture of continuous improvement drives sustained excellence.
By optimizing the assembly, we reduce the
Through continuous improvement, we've reduced defects and saved thousands. This dedication to quality has earned us.
Our supply chain partners, including Texas Instruments, are integral. Regular audits and performance monitoring. This stage is crucial as the microcontrollers and communication ICs are placed, giving the smart energy meter its intelligence. Every single-phase smart energy meter is assembled with meticulous precision. From the DIP insertion line to to ensure the integrity of the meter, a serial-numbered tamper-evident seal is applied, bonding permanently to protect against unauthorized access. Emphasizing accuracy and safety, every meter is calibrated and tested against the highest standards.
After rigorous testing and precise labeling, the single-phase smart energy meters are securely packaged and shipped, ready for distribution.
Built for reliability, these meters seamlessly connect homes and businesses, providing accurate energy data in real time.
From our dedicated team here in the manufacturing hall, thank you for trusting our smart energy meters.
Our thanks to the electric meter manufacturing team for design and engineering, production and quality, calibration and testing, and installation support.